over here at the Trailhawk's homestead. We're going to give you a little walk around of this this fine beauty. But before we do, he's got one more install to do. Okay, the Trailhawks decided to join the world of rooftop tents. So what'd you get?
Alpha 2, Tough Stuff Alpha 2. So same tent you have. You talked me into it.
Sweet. So it's going to look just as sweet as the Tacoma over there. But now we got to get it up on top as we prepare for our Colorado trip again.
That's awesome. Can't wait to go back.
It's going to be epic. All right, let's get this on and then we'll give you a tour of the truck.
Looks simple enough. Who needs the instructions?
No, there are no instructions. Okay, I think the next step is to get that thing up on top of there.
Sure.
Well, let me film you.
Okay, let me work on that.
Ready?
Yeah, I said let's do that. Let's pick it up, we'll put it there, and then we can punch down and
Perfect.
go the rest of that.
1, 2, 3. One, two. Oh boy. Oh.
I'm supposed to take that plastic off the bottom.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh boy. It's up, it's on there. Yeah, go ahead and push your right.
What am I doing?
Oh, I was gonna slide forward.
Okay. We got it up. Not too bad. It's a little bit to the passenger side, just so when he puts up his awning there, she'll go on this side. Have enough room. Okay, moment of truth here. He's going to open this bad boy up.
All right. So far, so good.
Wow.
Not sure if I'm doing this right.
Yep. Dude, they upgraded the ladder. I like that. In addition to the upgraded ladder in the current Alpha 2, it also comes with a clear window in the Rainfly and a switch that separately activates the inside lights and the outside lights. Okay, we got the rooftop tent on there. Why don't you give us a little tour of your rig here?
So it's a 2022 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon Edition. I ordered it specially from the factory. So that was a fun experience. Accessorized it exactly how I'd like to have it done. So from the factory, had the steel bumper put on, the spray and bed liner, the outlets in the back, the controller for auxiliary lights and electronics, had that all put in. It's got the adaptive cruise control, forward collision mitigation.
And you still have that with the modification to the bumper?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, the forward trail cam, which is freaking fantastic. Love that thing.
That's right there.
LED lights, which are blindingly bright, I think I've heard you say.
Yep. Oh. And I'll include the video when we installed the Smittybilt X20 in there. Several months ago, I helped Weston install the Smittybilt winch into his factory bumper, and the install was pretty straightforward and it only took us a couple of hours, though he did have to purchase a separate mounting plate. All right, all done, set up. We'll give it a shot and see how it works. Okay, here we go. This is just future casting. Weston getting stuck, having to connect to my rig to pull himself out. This is it. Rubicon getting towed by the Tacoma.
Yeah, and then so as soon as I got it delivered, I moved next door and they did the Mopar lift and put on 37-inch tires. Lift, they use Fox shocks, which initially comes in, but they would change out the springs. The shocks are a bigger shock, and some of the other components, trailing arms, stuff like that. And then also they did the 37-inch tires and the Raceline rims.
So how many inches more clearance did that give you?
I think the lift is 2.5, and then obviously you get some more ground clearance with those tires. So far it's been great. Before I took the caps off here, I would get a little bit of rubbing on full articulation, but with the caps off the front of the bumper, I haven't had any problem with rubbing.
But you can see the difference between 37s and 33s. Okay, how about these lights and light mounts?
Well, so Quadratec 6-inch LED lights. Initially I had them mounted up here on the headlight, or on the windshield frame, and it was the wrong mount. And their trip to the Saline Valley, it did them in.
Oh yeah, I'll include a little excerpt from that on there.
I broke a few things on that trip.
What do we got? A little trail repair?
Trail repair to happen. Well,
the light mount finally gave out?
Saline Valley had its way with my light mount.
Wow.
Trip that road. So anyway, so I went ahead and upgraded these. This is a Mopar accessory, and I don't think I'm going to have any problems.
No, that looks good. Hey, and what are all these things on there?
Well, these are my Check Me Out badges. These are all from our trip, and matter of fact, we've done all these together. So our last year in
minus I haven't done fins and things, but I've
done, that's right. You haven't done fins.
I've done all the others. Okay, so this is a stock bumper on the back, right?
Yep. And the Rubicon comes with the rock sliders all the way down the side, and then back in here.
Have those been used? Oh yeah.
Not as well as I've used my hitch.
Yeah.
But I got a nice thing to protect that.
Your hitch skid?
Yeah, you go to fins and things and some of those places, and you're gonna make some marks.
So then you got the RCI rack that you put the tent on top of.
Yep. Been happy with that. So, well, and up till now, all my gas and water, shovel, all that stuff. So I've been really happy with the RCI. It's a good investment. It's good quality.
And then what do you have in the back here?
So I went with the deck system to organize my gear. Been happy with that. I'm trying to keep things from being on the deck in here. So I'm able to get everything in there. And a nice surface here with the mountain hatch.
Yeah.
So it's pretty nice.
Pretty sweet. And then why don't you show us inside?
Okay.
Oh, so what do you got? You added these, right?
Yeah, the crap handles for whatever you need to hold on for. Put in the panels up on top to kind of deaden the noise. You could get those from the factory. Probably would have done it in retrospect, but I didn't know.
Did you notice a difference when you put them in?
Really like to say I did. But I don't know, maybe.
But it looks like they'd be nice places to put patches, though.
Heck yeah. Yeah. Anyway, I mean, whatever. I put those steps in these guards. One thing with these, the Jeep, it's got that wide entry, so you scuff those up. So put those in.
Oh, the Quadratec? Oh, those are nice.
Yeah. I keep Quadratec busy. So up here I have the bulletproof mount. So phone goes here with my iPad or my navigation here, and then this mount here I use for my radio. And for radio I use a Midland. I can't remember the model, but
very nice.
Yeah, I'm real happy with that.
And then this is factory here. These
these
auxiliary?
are the factory auxiliary switches. They're programmable, so you can do some fun stuff with it. Right now I'm only using two of them. One is for the lights, and the other one is for
the winch or the
the radio. That's it. I get so one is for the radio and one is for the and they come in different amps too. So 20 amps versus 10. The other nice thing when you get this is they bring in extra wiring down here. So you get all 4 wires that run through the auxiliary, plus you get 2 more. And the 2 additional wires, one is switched to the ignition and one is always on. So if you want to add any accessories. So I've powered most of these things here, I've powered through those additional wires.
Nice.
And then fished all the wires up behind the dash. Had to take some of this apart. Just try to, I know it doesn't look that clean, but it's better than it would be otherwise. Anyway, so that's pretty much what I've done for the interior and the back. So I've taken out the 40% seat. I have ordered a goose gear delete system. I really appreciate them getting it done. That was about 8 weeks ago.
It's July, and you ordered it when?
May 20th, May 25th. So
okay, you're
whatever they're doing. I guess they're growing the wood, whatever. But hopefully they'll get it together here pretty quick. So get rid of that. But that's pretty much on the interior what I got planned. So eventually, though, with the goose gear, I'm going to have to take this lockable kit out. But I think for now, what I'll probably end up doing is just cutting it through here. And since the goose gear's got like a vertical edge on this side, it'll keep stuff from sliding out. So I won't lose this for now. Eventually, I'm going to get rid of the whole thing once I'm ready to take that step.
Nice. Looks good. So that's it. That is the walk around to the Gladiator. I'll include some of other videos in there. Looks pretty nice. I certainly like the clearance and the height compared to the Tacoma, but I've pretty much been able to go everywhere he has. But I think 35s are probably going to be in my future. Please let me know in the comments what you think of the Trailhawk's Overland build. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you the next time we venture outside.